Hi, the Nova Ultimate Folding Walker package is the ultimate because it comes with a beautiful folding walker, a cane, and great accessories. So style matters. So you can choose between the pink walker that has a front floral design and then the blue one with just a black front design. So each of these walkers comes with a cane holder, bag, and walker skis. So the black bag just attaches. It's so convenient. You can carry your things. And then walker skis are a must because it really helps you glide over door jams. They're perfectly safe on wood floors to carpet to sidewalks. So it really maximizes your mobility. And then having a cane by your side is so great. So I'm going to show you how to install it. So it's going to come with a cane holder, and you're going to see the side with a larger curve S. That's going to attach to the tube. So just go ahead and snap it where you want your cane. Attaches just like that. Turn it over, and then the other side holds your cane. So this one comes with the blue waves, which is so beautiful. And then now it attaches like this, and then you have your cane and your walker together. All right, there you go. That is the Nova Ultimate Folding Walker package. And with all of Nova products, they will come with our care, use, and warranty information, and most importantly, how to contact us anytime.